What if we told you that the icon is back, not just as a memory, not just as a tribute, but as a bold, futuristic, road-ready reality? This is the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Reborn, recharged and ready to inspire a new generation of drivers. Welcome to Auto Fusion, and today we're taking you inside one of the most anticipated comebacks in automotive history, the all-new Beetle. And trust us, this one's not just for nostalgia. Let's get one thing out of the way. Yes, it still looks like a Beetle. That timeless round shape, the sloping roof, the gentle curves, they're all still here, but look closer, and you'll see it's grown up, it's sportier, it's smarter, it's sharper. The 2026 Beetle rides lower and wider than any model before it. Its face is dominated by LED matrix headlights with a futuristic circular DRL signature, a clear nod to the past, reimagined for tomorrow. The grille is minimalist. Chrome is out. Black accents, body-colored panels, and floating logos are in. The side profile is cleaner, more aerodynamic. Hidden door handles, flush bodywork, stronger shoulder lines. You can even get it in two-tone paint jobs that match the spirit of the 60s, but scream 2026. And in the back, you get a full-width light bar, animated indicators, and a hidden rear wiper under the spoiler. This isn't a retro car. This is a retro-futuristic statement. Now let's talk performance. Because this Beetle brings two personalities. First, the ICE version, powered by Volkswagen's trusted 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, producing 228 horsepower and 258 pounds-ft of torque. Paired with a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission, this Beetle is punchy, quick, and smooth. 0 to 60 comes in at a respectable 6.3 seconds, with a top speed of 135 miles per hour. It's fun, efficient, and confident in the city or on the highway. But here's the future, the fully electric Beetle, based on Volkswagen's MEB platform. This EV version packs a 77 kilowatt-hours battery, delivering up to 300 miles of range on a single charge. Power? About 210 horsepower, but with instant torque. It feels even faster off the line than the gas version. The electric Beetle features rear-wheel drive, just like the original. It's quiet, smooth, and quick, perfect for modern city driving or relaxed highway cruising. Charging is fast. 2. DC fast charging gives you 10 to 80% in just 27 minutes. AC charging at home? A full overnight top-up is all it takes, and don't worry, you still get that classic Beetle spirit, just without the emissions. Now let's go inside. Because the cabin is where this car really surprises. The 2026 Beetle's interior is clean, tech-savvy, and filled with personality. You're greeted by a floating dual-screen setup, a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, and a 13-inch touchscreen powered by VW's latest infotainment OS. The dash is symmetrical, with round air vents, retro detailing, and ambient lighting that changes color based on drive mode. You'll find piano black, soft leatherette, brushed aluminum, and even throwback body-colored panels on the dash. Seats? Supportive, stylish, and fully customizable, from two-tone vegan leather to contrast stitching and retro patterns. Ventilation and heating come standard on most trims. The flat-bottom steering wheel features touch haptic controls, and the center console houses wireless charging, USB-C ports, and even hidden storage below the armrest. A panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, making this compact feel much larger than it is. Rear seat room has improved, especially in the electric version thanks to a flat floor. And cargo space? 16.2 cubic feet, expandable with folding seats, daily usability. Check. In terms of tech, you get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air updates, augmented reality navigation, voice assistant with natural commands, a 10-speaker Harman Kardon premium sound system on upper trims. But the Beetle isn't just about comfort and fun, it's also safe. The 2026 model comes standard with VW's IQ Drive Safety Suite, including adaptive cruise control lane, keep assist, blind spot monitoring, front collision warning with autonomous braking, traffic sign recognition, rear cross traffic alert, semi-autonomous highway driving. It's small, but smart, safe, and confident. Now, let's talk trims and personalization, because Beetle buyers love choice. You've got Beetle Base, stylish and affordable with all essentials. Beetle Style Edition adds two-tone paint, premium materials, and comfort features. Beetle R-Line sportier bumpers, larger wheels, dark trim, and paddle shifters. Beetle Ear Retro, exclusive to the EV, includes white walls, body-colored wheels, and throwback badges. Customization options include unique colors like sunburst yellow, electric mint, pastel blue, and even matte copper. You can change everything from wheel design to ambient lighting themes. Let's talk numbers. The 2026 Volkswagen Beetle starts at around $25,000 USD for the base gas model, $29,000 for the Style Edition, and the electric Beetle starts around $34,500. With top-end models reaching the $42,000 plus range, not bad for a car that delivers style, history, tech, and emotion in one sleek package. So, who is this car for? It's for the young professional who wants something different. For the college student who wants personality without sacrificing practicality. For the urban commuter who wants to make a statement while saving fuel or charging overnight. It's for people who love cars with soul. People who want to smile. Every time they walk up to their ride, the Beetle isn't for everyone. It's not meant to be. It's for those who know that a car isn't just transportation. It's an extension of who you are. At Autofusion, we've driven supercars, SUVs, and electrics. But the 2026 Beetle hits different. It's a reminder that cars can still be fun, still be emotional, still be personal. Final thoughts? Volkswagen didn't just bring the Beetle back. They brought it into the future without leaving its past behind. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a moment from Autofusion. Comment below, would you go for the gas or the AVF? Classic Beetle vibe or R-Line edge? This was the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle, a comeback we didn't just want. We needed. Thanks for riding with Autofusion. See you next time on the road.